Well, let's talk a little bit about life insurance. Life insurance, one of the most important types of insurance you should have, especially if you are still working. Now, this doesn't apply to your child at 18, probably doesn't apply at 21, but as they begin to work, as they begin to start a family, that's really when they need to be aware of life insurance and their need for it.
So we look at it as when somebody is dependent upon their income, you need to already have something in place. For our 18-year-old son, there's a life insurance policy in place, but it's because I'm a financial advisor and that's the way my brain works. But it's there so that if anything happens between now and the time that he is in a situation where somebody is dependent upon his income, there's at least already a foundation set. Now, he'll need to get more coverage, a larger amount later on, but we've already got something in place for him. So that's important to look at. When is somebody dependent upon you? But then let's look at this from the older, parents' situation where, like, you're looking at your children being financially independent. That's really the whole purpose of the show. If something happens to you and there are children who are still financially dependent upon you, if you don't have enough life insurance in place, you are not setting them up for financial success moving forward.
Yeah, we have a number of clients who have lost a spouse and they have life insurance proceeds that are sustaining the lifestyle of that family throughout the kids' high school and college and things of that nature. And, you could argue lots of degrees in that, but certainly you want to think about life insurance as an income replacement for your family. That's really the purpose of life insurance. That is what it is for. There's a lot of folks out there that will talk to you about life insurance and they'll, make it the Swiss Army knife and it slices, it dices, it washes the car, it cleans the lint trap in the dryer and all those types of things.
I'm going to need that kind of life insurance. I don't have that type.
Yeah, well, I don't think it really exists. I think a lot of that is a sales pitch.
Yeah.
But the key is that life insurance is for income replacement. And so you have to look at that, as Scott mentioned, fairly early on in your life. Mm-hmm. And the other thing I want to mention, and this is, one of those once in a lifetime kind of things, but I think you have to think about life insurance while you're young and healthy. Because life insurance is dependent, the issuance of a life insurance policy is dependent upon your health. Mm-hmm. And if you get a policy in place and you have coverage in place, then you don't have to worry if there is some disease that you encounter later in life and you go, oh, gee, I don't have any life insurance and now I can't get it.
Want more content like this delivered to your inbox weekly? Visit fastest4.com to learn more.